Did you know I prepared 2 unboxings for you guys?
I'm presenting you a green box. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Another unboxing to be sharing with you guys because you probably know I haven't done a jewelry unboxing in a long time, and there are 2 reasons. First of all, my life has just speed up so much since having 2 children, so it's impossible for me to even find inspiration. And the second reason is because truly I feel like there wasn't another desire out there for me to add another bracelet. You guys know I love bracelets.
Did you know I prepared 2 unboxings for you guys? Of course, this is the first one and most important one because I love continue expanding my collection with Ideal. I love that their jewelry are all modular. Everything about it is just so special. And this time I've decided to add something different to my collection. As previously I've focused on growing my bracelet collection, and you have seen me wear them all the time if you follow me on my videos. And today I'm going to be sharing with you what I have chosen. First of all is this beautiful necklace. I loved combining this one with my existing initial necklace, and it just make a super nice combo. I've gotten a lot of compliments, and you guys know I'm not a switcher, so I usually never remove my Van Cleef, but I have been wearing this one. It's really nice that these necklaces are modular, so it's very easy to modify and personalize, and I love how mine came out. This is my exchanged package. It arrived super quickly, and I'm so grateful for the team who has helped me work this out, because I was very adamant about adding something that I know I would use and wear. And so here comes the new set that I have exchanged to, which they are this gorgeous new earring sets. They're called Via earrings. I got a set. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I wore them immediately to this event that I was attending the day later. Also, there is an earring called the Caia. I have been wearing it non-stop, so I began wearing the Caia paired with my diamond studs. I have not stopped wearing it after I took out my VanCleefandArpels, and it's just such a great combo. And this is me showing you guys the Bia set, and it's very easy to pair with anything. I could wear it to work events, and it really elevates the looks. Finally, this beautiful traveling pouch to store all of your jewelry pieces. I am so grateful, and I've been using this one non-stop because I travel between homes, and this is just gorgeous. So I definitely want to make sure I share my excitement with you guys to do this bonus unboxing. You can find additional information about the pieces that I chose in the links below. Now let's get into another unboxing.
I met some of you guys just so coincidentally in real life, and then you saw my necklace and you go, wait, this person looks really familiar. And the questions I've gotten were like, do you have a YouTube channel? And because we met in a place where I work, so I go, maybe I do or maybe I don't. I was really happy that you guys are paying attention on the little things that I'm wearing and then putting 2 and 2 together. But nonetheless, if you see me, just come over and say hi. I would love to say hi to you guys as well. We can have a little chat about something that we're wearing that day. It would be really fun. But today I have a iconic, I guess, green box, and it's a new piece from VanCleefandArpels. I've been eyeing on this piece for some time, but I couldn't really find a reason to go for it. And the reason why I decided on this one was because with my firstborn, I was very sentimental, and I decided to basically acquired all the special things that I love from each brand that I really liked the year he was born. You just want to preserve this piece of memory and this nice moment that you're going through. So I went ahead and did that. It was also the year that I have added my beautiful Lucky Spring collection from Van Cleef. And this time around, I had my second child, and I go, it's time to do it again, because when else I'm going to do it? And I truly bought it because I decided that, you know, it's the time of your life where you should add something significant without overly thinking. Whether that reason resonates with you or not, let's open this up.
So here is a overview of what the bracelet looks like from the sides, top and bottom, because it is really hard for me to explain using words. So here's a visual of it. These are all of the details. I'm going to be sharing depth review video with you guys in a separate video, so make sure you're on the lookout for that.
Here she is. I already did the unboxing because I couldn't wait, and I was trying it on a few times before I sat down and filmed this video, and this is truly an amazing piece. And you guys know how much I love the Pearly collection. I'm just really happy to be adding this piece into my collection. And this is the VanCleefandArpels Pearly Classic Bracelet with no embellishment, because that is 5 times the price. And I think it's always nice to start with a piece that is very iconic and very wearable and versatile. So I chose this one. This is the size 17 in rose gold. I know that the brand also makes it in white gold and yellow gold, but personally for me, rose gold is always the way to go. I love how Van Cleef described this collection as a pearly beads are dancing in the form of ballet. They're really formating a beautiful alignment, and it's just a overall very beautifully designed piece. Let's look at the details of the piece. You know, the information about the brand, the gold, and the hallmarks are all stamped within the opening hinge on the inside where it touches your wrist, and you can first release it by opening up this little ball hook here, and then you press onto the one in the middle between the 2 hinges, and then you can just release it. And this is a really well-made securing feature if you're worrying about your gold piece might ever fall out from your hand. So it feels very snug and tight, and you almost have to find the perfect position to close it. There it was. You hear the snap and the closure, and then you just push the lever down and then push it into place so it is secured completely. This piece just feels like the missing puzzle. At the same time, I did try out to place this with my Cartier sets, and I feel like it's not maybe working the best way possible, but when you wear this with a beautiful timepiece or dainty jewelry, this truly stands out like no other. I'm going to now put it onto my wrist and just show you from afar. How nice is this beautiful pairing together with a dainty necklace? It doesn't have to be too much, but sometimes more is more, so you do you. I just love how beautiful the rose gold tone is. I haven't seen a freshly out of box rose gold in a long time. You know, honestly, if I'm just comparing the two right here, you see that the collection is definitely quite different. Each of these brands has its own unique spin on jewelry design, so they're not looking very similar to each other, and you can also develop your own styles and stack together from there. I was a little bit silly in the way that I made the decision right after, I guess, 2 days when they announced the price increase. It was originally $6,850, but after the price increase, I purchased it at $7,050 plus tax. So that is something that I really encourage you guys to pay close attention to, because you know nowadays the price increases just happens more often than we anticipate, so it's important to make sure that you're buying it right before the price goes up again. Anyway, that is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like contents like this, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and I would love for you guys to subscribe as well because there are more fun things coming your way. In the comment section below, please let me know your favorite Van Cleef pieces, or if you don't own any yet, what you dream to own. Definitely going to be giving you guys more of an in-depth review on this piece later on after I wear it, so be on the lookout for that. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.